Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 430 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 329 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,053 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, this great indicator predicts trends with probabilities, entry, stop loss, and even target. And so we're going to be putting this to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator, and take a look at some of the other claims made by the source video. Now, first and foremost, the indicators in this video do not give you your stop loss, and they don't give you your target. And so it's a little bit confusing that they would say that, because it definitely doesn't. Now, it gives you your entries, or what you could perceive as an entry, but nonetheless, we'll go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the AAD trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll leave everything on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the extreme points buy and sell indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, this one stays on the default settings. Now it's kind of hard to see the first indicator we added. If I turn it off there, you can now see these little arrows right here, a green arrow, for example, these red arrows right here, for example, and that is the arrows that we get from the extreme points buy and sell indicator. And then the other indicator, the AAD trend, is creating of a moving average channel with these kind of clouds. And so what we're looking for a long trade, and this is where things got a little bit more confusing from the source video, is we are looking for when we get a green arrow from the extreme points buy and sell. Now, in the source video, the creator kept saying that when you get a green arrow, that the AA trend, the AAD, should be green arrow with a green background, I guess, green cloud. But in the source videos, they kept showing a green arrow with the red clouds, not a green cloud. And then they showed the opposite. When there was a red arrow, they showed green cloud. So I'm assuming they just got confused, because they never line up where a green one and a green cloud meets. So we went with a green arrow and red cloud. And so you can see here we got the red kind of background from the AAD, and we got the green arrow from the buy and sell indicator. That'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. We'll put us right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is the red arrow with the green background. And you can see that we get that here. It's going to be our signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right there. Our stop goes just right above this pivot area, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 for an overall break even on this strategy, not including any spreads or commissions, anything along those lines. And so most likely you'd have been down a decent little amount after any kind of commissions. And so not a horrible strategy, but not a great strategy either. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 45 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 9 losing trades, putting that at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $10,800. And if you had used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly, would have put the win rate closer to the $21,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in backtesting and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so we just closed out winning trade number 54. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That's 54 winning trades in a row using the Academy of Forex Indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. That's over 3 months with 100% profitability. And so in the backtesting, this strategy or the combination of the two was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and check out the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.